everybody, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Crystal. A friend told me that she made a mango cake and it was tasty, but I was like, mango cake? Tasty? However, I did get a little curious, but I was still a bit skeptical, so I did not want to make an entire cake. So I tried out a recipe of a mango lime cake in a mug, and guess what? It was a success. It was soft, moist and delicious. A nice fruity dessert in just about 2 minutes. So I thought, why not share the recipe with you guys?
For this recipe, you will need 4 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, about 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 3 tablespoons of mango puree, mix the ingredients together until everything is properly combined, making sure that the mixture is smooth without any lumps. Then place in the microwave for about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Insert a toothpick into the cake. If it does not come out dry, then put it back into the microwave for an additional 15 seconds. Dig in and enjoy this tropical dessert. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.